Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen split point drill bits with only hand tools. This has the benefit of that there's less chance that you completely mess up the drill bit. It takes a little bit more time, but if you got good tools, it's pretty easy. So first of all, let's look at the drill geometry so that we can figure out what we actually need to do here. So on a split point drill bit, what you can see is that you have two sharpened sides. You have this part here that is sharpened. That's what makes it a split point. If you look at it from top down, it is split right down the middle. And you have the normal cutting surface, which is up here. So we need to sharpen this surface. Here's the edge, sharpen it down here. And then we also need to grind down this part so that the two edges are nicely split from each other, which is what gives you the advantage in drilling over a normal chisel point drill. Because the sharpening here is a bit more complicated, we're gonna use some Sharpie to help us out. So we're gonna cover all of the surfaces that we need to sharpen with Sharpie, so that it makes it easier to find the correct angle. So now we are on the actual sharpening, and for this, if you look at the point, you can see there's a little ridge on here. You can see right here, there's a little lip where the 2 points are split. And where this happens, we can use that and we can put this on here and then it catches. And then we're gonna know that we are exactly down the middle and we will only sharpen one of the blades. And then I'm gonna rotate it up and just follow the contour of the drill until we are at the actual edges. And as you can see, we have taken away material down at the edge. So let's continue sharpening a bit until pretty much all the Sharpie is removed. Now, as you can see, most of the Sharpie is ground away. And the blades feel very, very sharp again, like sticky sharp. And that's okay, so we are done here. But we still need to reground the split point, because when sharpening you will always pretty much run over the middle point and then ruin this edge here. So we just put the flat surface on the back of our split point drill here, still where the Sharpie is still on. We just put this flat on a stone. Don't even use water with this because it will make it harder to see. And then once it's flat on there, start grinding. As you can see here, we have ground these surfaces now, and that gives us a nicely defined split point here. This is what gives you the advantage in drilling larger holes without a pilot hole, because the actual center of the hole will be drilled and not just chiseled out. That was it for this video. I hope you found it interesting and you learned something. This is definitely something that takes a bit of practice, but by using these hand tools there is a way less risk of damaging the drill bit. If you do this on a belt grinder or one of these bench grinders, if you make one wrong move, you ruin the entire drill bit. And with more expensive cobalt drill bits, that's pretty expensive. If you need to replace it, it's $10 per piece. So if you mess a few of them up, that's actually quite expensive. So this definitely has a place, even though it is a bit slower. That was it for this video. I hope you found it interesting and you learned something and you got good results. If you did, then consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.